Hi everyone! Today I'm making pickle ranch flavored pork ribs in my Instant Pot. I got the idea for this when I saw Michael Simon's video for ranch rubbed baby backs. It sounded like a great idea, but I wanted to scale it back from a 3-hour project to something closer to 1 hour while avoiding this Florida heat. I'll link Michael's recipe in the description box below in case you're in the mood for an afternoon working at a hot grill, or if you're interested in making a homemade rub like he did. For my rub, I'm using 1 packet of ranch seasoning mix, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, and 1 tablespoon black pepper. I have a 3.5 pound rack of St. Louis style pork ribs, which are essentially spare ribs trimmed down by removing flaps and rib tips. They come from the belly side of the pig and are quite a bit meatier and fattier than baby backs, which translates to more flavor. You can use baby backs or full spare ribs if you prefer, but you may have to adjust the cooking time up or down by 5 minutes depending on how tender you want them. Whichever cut you choose, make sure to remove the membrane from the underside of the ribs. It doesn't cook away and will prevent your seasonings from penetrating into the meat and also make the ribs tough to eat. Rub the ranch mixture all over the ribs, both sides, edges, and any nooks and crannies you can find. You can easily double this recipe and fit 2 racks into the pot. Just double the rub mixture and prep another rack of ribs. Wrap the ribs up in plastic and let them sit for at least 2 hours in the fridge, but overnight is much better. I'm doing overnight for this video. So the next day, my ribs are looking good and all of that rub has migrated into the meat. I'm using my 6-quart pot today, and I'll be needing some sort of trivet, just tall enough to keep the ribs out of the liquid since I want them to steam instead of boil. In his video, Michael uses a sprayer to spritz his ribs with pickle juice while they're smoking on the grill. So I'll be using 1.5 cups of pickle juice so that it will infuse into the ribs as the pot comes up to pressure and the liquids bubble and steam. You can also add a couple of tablespoons of liquid smoke if you want to get some of that smokiness into the ribs. Lock and seal the lid and cook on high for 20 to 25 minutes, followed by a 10-minute natural pressure release. While the pot's working its magic, I'm going to mix up some ranch dressing to use for dip when they're done. Following the instructions on the package, I'll stir up 1 packet of ranch mix, 1 cup mayo, and 1 cup milk. If you don't like mayo, Greek yogurt or sour cream are good substitutions. So mix that all up and let it chill for at least 30 minutes. And then let's check on our ribs. I cooked these for 25 minutes and they are completely fall off the bone tender. If yours aren't quite done, you can relock the lid and cook for another 5 minutes. You can stop here, but I want to put a little color on these, so I'm brushing with just a touch of melted butter and then putting them under my oven broiler for a few minutes. Keep an eye on them, they can go from brown to scorch in a flash. I did these for around 8 minutes. Now that's what I'm talking about. So good. They really do taste like pickles and ranch. These are great just the way they are, but they also make great filling for a pulled pork sandwich with some coleslaw. Well, that's it for me this week. Thanks for watching, and as always, ingredients and instructions are in the description box below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you feel like it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!